These are my keys. They were in storage for quite a while. I brought them out, getting ready to start learning Morse code. These three on the right are vibraplex. There's a straight key, a vibrokeyer, and a bug. And then there's an MFJ practice key that I've had for a very long time and have used for a long time to practice Morse code. Morse code is more than learning the letters and the numbers. It's also about punctuation and etiquette. So I'm currently trying to learn the etiquette for calling CQ. Here, I'll give it a try. Well, it's a little rough, but that's why it's practice.